Want to know how to reduce time-consuming searches in a retail environment? I'll show you. Today we're going to be using the Galaxy A6 with Scandit's barcode scanning software loaded into our secure Knox container, giving us a truly amazing data capture tool. So in this example, I'm a retailer and I'm working with a customer that's purchased something online, but they've chosen to pick it up in store. So they hand me the receipt, or I can pull it up in the system. I go to search and find, define my search criteria by scanning the code at the bottom of their receipt. Head over to my inventory, and instead of having to search each one of these by hand, I can hold up my device with Scandit software and immediately identify the right package. So now we don't have our customers standing there with their fingers crossed in hopes that we find their package quickly. And this is just one of the ways that Scandit and the Samsung Galaxy A6 can help you in a retail environment. For more information, go to samsung.com/retail.